Thank you for viewing Singularity Now, the artificial intelligence timeline, where we count down to the technological singularity and the dawn of the post-human era and the automated totalitarian control grid. These are your biggest headlines for the week.
Space tech magnate Elon Musk said AI poses a greater existential threat than do nuclear weapons. Military contractors Boeing and Google announced they were co-developing an unmanned air traffic control system for swarming drones.
The U.S. Marine Corps demoed its Final Mile system that deploys a small group of autonomous quadcopter drones to deliver small supplies in the field.
Defense contractor Kratos received approval to market an unmanned strike-capable jet to certain European and Asia-Pacific region countries.
The British Air Force announced the fixed-wing, strike-capable Protector unmanned aerial drone. The Singapore Navy is developing an unmanned surface drone for national security applications.
A university in Poland is developing 2 stealth submarine drones for counter-mine applications.
Walmart filed a patent for robotic bees for plant pollination. After discovering that a child sex robot was found at a crime scene, a federal prosecutor warned that child sex robots are already being imported and will be used to normalize pedophilia.
A new surveillance system is reported to be able to predict crimes before they occur. The system leverages AI and biometrics. The example given is a person can be blacklisted in the system, and when their face is detected, the users of the system will be notified.
Artificial intelligence modified video, called deepfakes, could be a game-changer to politics, a senator warned. Such could also be used in an automated propaganda campaign, in information warfare designed to trigger an apocalyptic military strike, or in an effort to railroad political opposition into prison.
A portable identification device for use by police features biometrics technology from Integrated Biometrics. The device allows them to collect the fingerprints of those detained in the field. The President of the United States selected a former manager of a CIA shadow torture site to be director of the CIA.
For these headlines and more, go to Amazon and search for Singularity Now. Thank you for watching, and remember, your apathy ensures that you are the last of free humanity. Future generations will not forgive you for selling them into high-tech slavery.